counting birds. 1 bird. 4 more birds. How many birds are in all? Click the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds. Good job! 4 birds. 1 more bird. How many birds are in all? Click the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds. Good job! 2 birds. 5 more birds. How many birds are in all? Click the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 birds. Good job! 5 birds. 4 more birds. How many birds are in all? Click the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 birds. Good job! You're really good at counting.